Hello guys, and welcome to this particular video. All right, so on this particular video we are going to be finally talking about how you can be able to unlock your NovaEX airdrop. You can see it is locked. We are going to be talking about how you can be able to unlock it right on this particular video. All right, so make sure you watch till the end. Do not skip any part so that you get to understand very well how you can be able to unlock your NovaEX airdrop. So I actually spoke about this project about 3 months ago. I've already spoke about it like 2 times. All right, so we are going to be talking about how you can be able to unlock it. Now pay close attention and watch the video till the end. Before we start the video properly, please, I want you to do your own research properly before you engage on anything you're about to see right now. This video is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and of course nothing on my channel entirely is a financial advice. So do your due diligence, do your own research before you take any action. This video is purely for entertainment and educational purpose only. Okay, so right now guys, let's get started. To be able to unlock your NovaEX airdrop, you simply need to participate on the AI engine trading that is running node, and this is the node. Once you click on this center button right here, these are the node. You can see AI node plans. You need to participate on any of these node to be able to unlock your token. Now already you have gathered your tokens right here. That is your next token from the airdrop that we participated on previously. You have gathered it. Now the problem is how to unlock it, right? To be able to unlock it, you need to participate on this node, and as you are running this node, the airdrop will be unlocking gradually depending on the amount you use to participate and also the percentage of the plan you joined. Okay, so you need a minimum of 100 next token. Once you paste at least 100 next token right here, then it will do the calculation for you, and of course you start the AI trading engine. And as the engine is running every single day, your AI airdrop, your next AI airdrop will be unlocking after every single cycle. That is how you simply unlock it. Now the question is, how do you get the next token that you can use to participate on this AI trading engine? Okay, now to be able to get the next token, you can see currently I have 0 right here as the available. You need to put at least 100 right here to use and participate on the next engine and be unlocking your airdrop or your next AI airdrop on after every cycle. Okay, now to be able to get next token, you need to use Trust Wallet and Pancake Swap. All right, so this is my Trust Wallet right here. This is the airdrop wallet that I created specifically for this tutorial. All right, so over here I have less than $25 right here, and I don't think that would be enough. Now looking over here, you can see I have next token right here, but it is 0. Now how do you put yours like this? Now click on this button right here and make sure you can see hide assets under 0. Make sure you turn it off. Now after you turn it off, go ahead and click on manage crypto, and of course you can see these are all the cryptos that we have right here. But in case you come over here right now, you can see these are the tokens that I've already added, but sometimes it may not be here. Just come over here like I already said, then click on manage crypto. Then you need a contract address of the token. Now this is the contract address right here on our Telegram channel. I will simply copy this contract address. Now once I've copied the contract address, remember the link to our Telegram is going to be on the video description, and every necessary detail you need is going to be on the video description. Now come over here, okay, on the search bar, paste the contract address. Now this is going to be bringing the next token for you, but in most cases it will not show. But if it does not show, click on didn't see your crypto, click on it. Now after you click on it, click on this Ethereum and select BNB Smart Chain. Now paste the address. Once you paste the address, all this one will appear automatically. Click on import, and once you import it, automatically it will reflect immediately just like this. Okay, it will reflect immediately just like this. Now how do you get the next token? Because you need to get the next token right here on your Trust Wallet, then transfer it to your Nova AI account, and then use it to run the node like I explained earlier. Now coming back right here to my Trust Wallet, you need to buy the tokens, right? Make sure you have your account funded with BNB Smart Chain or USDT under BNB Smart Chain, so that I can use it to swap into next, right? So come over here to discovery. Once you click on discovery, then go ahead and click on Pancake Swap. You can see it down here. Click on Pancake Swap. All right, so I'm also going to be leaving the link on the video description box. Okay, now you are going to be taken to Pancake Swap just like I've been taken to Pancake Swap right now. The first thing you need to do right here is very easy, but before you do any of it, make sure you have done your research. Now you need to connect your wallet. Right now, once you have connected your wallet, then you click on this Ethereum button right here. Once you click on it, select BNB Smart Chain. Now once you select BNB Smart Chain, select any token. For example, I will select USDT. Now it will change immediately to BNB Smart Chain. Right now, I will click on this BNB right now and select the token which I want to swap into next token, which I will later transfer to next account and use it to participate on the AI engine. Now clicking on the USDT, this is it. I will click on it, and once I click on it, then I need to select the token I want to swap the USDT into. Now clicking on click right here, I need to go ahead and paste the contract address again right here. Okay, so this is the contract address. Now you will see next token appearing right here. Click on it, and once you click on it, now select the amount of token you want to swap into next token. For example, I will select USDT. For example, I want to use everything and buy. You will see that 19.96 USDT is going to get me 64 next token, which is not enough. Remember, you need at least 100 next token to use and participate on the AI engine. For example, right now, once I click on this swap button, it is going to convert my USDT to next token. Right now, after the conversion is done, coming back to my wallet right here, it will appear over here. You can see over here, it will appear over here. Then come over here, then go ahead and click on send. Sorry, you need to click on send, not receive. Click on send, then paste your address, your wallet address. Now the wallet address you need is from this account. Simply click on deposit, then go ahead, select next token, then confirm it, select BNB Smart Chain, confirm it. Then they are going to give you this address. This is the address, and once you deposit that next token into this into your Nova AI engine account, it is going to reflect right here on the available button. You can see available right here. It will reflect right here, and once it reflects right there, then you can then come over here to AI node and then use at least 100 to participate on any of these. And depending on how much you participate you locked, then it is going to be unlocking depending on the following ROI, which is the return of investment. You can see the different one have different percentage, and the higher the percentage, the longer the cycle takes to complete. So once you lock it, according to the percentage, your next AI airdrop is going to be unlocking from there. You understand? That's how it is going to be unlocking by itself. So I'm sorry my funds are not enough to use and participate on this full video right here, but I think I'm going to be doing that on my next video. Okay, so this is all you need to know on how you can be able to unlock your Nova AI, your NovaEX AI airdrop, which was participated on. Now we all can agree that this project now is more of running node with real capital instead of just an airdrop. But this is the honest truth and the everything you need to know about this particular project as regards claiming the airdrop. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video is not a financial advice. Before you take any action, make sure you have done your research and you are ready to be responsible for any results that we all may get at the end. All right, so do your research properly before you engage, and of course this is where I'll be stopping the video for now. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video that I'll be uploading very soon.